Hello everybody. I'm on my way to get the chicken eggs. It is actually really nice out here today. It is sunny. Woo! Let me not blind you guys. Let me go from the side. Hi. It's a different side of me. But I'm gonna go and get the chicken eggs. This nice weather is actually a beautiful thing because it is making all this snow just melt away. And the chickies are still very much inside their coop. They don't like the cold very much, which I don't blame them. But look at this snow. Check it out. Almost gone. And let me let you guys in here so you can see the girls. Hello, ladies. Say hello. Hello. Your fans are watching. They like to see you all the time. Hello. Hello. Where's Sneezy? There she is back there. Hi. Oh, hi. She's very vocal as well. But just checking your stuff here. Your water looks good. Your food. What's going on with your food? Oh, you have no food. Guess what that means? I have to get them food. It's actually out in the shed, so I'll go grab it and put it in here. I will not bore you with that delivery of chicken food because it doesn't make sense to do that. But I'm just gonna be out here and pick up the, grab the eggs. Let me show you. Whenever I'm doing gardening and I tell you guys that the area behind us is just wetlands and it's just vacant, this is what it looks like when it's not overgrown. Check it out. This is what we have behind the house, and this is an area that cannot be built on. Lucky us. Let me give you guys a pan view of the whole back area here. Check it out. All woods. And the nice thing about this is that we get so much wildlife back here. We get foxes and deer and turkeys. Oh, turkeys are amazing. It's like they're having their own parade because you hear them from all the way up on the top of the hill with their cackalaking. It's just amazing. It is very windy up here. The gate just flew open. Let me close it. I don't want the girls to go out there. But let me, hi. Actually, they came out. They're following me. You guys hear that? Oh, something just broke. A tree just fell. Let me see if I can point it out for you guys. Going diagonally there, that baby just broke right off. Snapped. Oh man. Let me get, yeah, you can see it better here. You see it right here? Yeah, that guy just ripped off the bottom and is leaning against the other big guy. It is super windy out here. So what I'm going to do is grab these eggs and go back inside because the last thing I want, oh, there goes another one back there. Okay, I don't want any trees landing on me. Let me get the eggs. Millie, go. Let me get the girls in too. I don't want them out here when branches fall. But here we are grabbing the eggs because last video we had, guys, the eggs froze. And so, yeah, that was our eventful after the snowstorm story. I check in here because sometimes they lay inside. But let me go inside because let me head inside because this wind is crazy, everyone. Things are falling in the back of the property. We had about maybe 14 to 15 trees in the property, like inside this, you know, in our property. And so we had to remove them because most of them were hanging over the house. And then we also had some that were in the area where the greenhouse and the garden is. And so it was creating a situation where we couldn't do anything with the back of the property. So we had to take them all out. The one that was by the house was huge, and when that first branch was taken off, it almost landed on this little room here. So we were like, yeah, best decision ever. Like I said, I am going inside because it's cold. The sun is out, but the wind makes it super cold. So let me grab my eggs here. I will be talking to you guys a little bit more in the future about some plans that I have with the chickens and my beekeeping project. So I'll be getting some videos out to you guys as soon as I can. It's just been busy. So I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe.